as a teacher and as an ustaz lah, kalau boleh kata as an ustaz kan, macam I like to give hope to people, but not false hope. Hope that is substantial. As you mentioned just now, Allah loves to forgive us more than punishing us, because Allah is forgiving us even when we do not ask for forgiveness. Contohnya macam, when you smile, when you walk to the mosque, when you take wudu, you don't do that, Allah please forgive me. It's just like part of the things that you do because that is what you need to do. But Allah is forgiving you every single step you take to help your brother, to help someone in a good way, or even to the mosque especially. Each step, Allah is moving away one sin from you, forgiving. Not to mention when you actually ask forgiveness from Allah, lagilah Allah suka ampunkan. So at the end, macam nak sebut ya, orang yang masuk neraka, those who their end will be in the hellfire, really deserve to be in the hellfire. And we ask from Allah that we are not part of them, because it's not easy to be in the hellfire since Allah is so forgiving. The only person who will be in the hellfire is those who choose to ignore Allah and to go to the hellfire. So Rasulullah kata, kullu ummati yadkhuluna al-jannah illa man aba. Every single person from my nation will enter the Jannah except for those who refuse. Kalau dalam bahasa Melayunya, kecuali yang tak sudi.